Welcome to today's incredible journey into the world of heavy machinery and mining. At the center of attention is the Komatsu PC700LC Excavator, a true giant that transforms stone mining into a spectacular performance. With every powerful movement of its arm and bucket, this machine turns a rugged stone quarry into a stage of engineering excellence. Mining is not just about breaking rocks, it is about precision, coordination, and the unstoppable power of technology. This video captures how strength and skill come together to move mountains and prepare resources for the world. Komatsu PC700LC is designed for some of the most demanding jobs on Earth. With an operating weight of nearly 70 tons and an engine that delivers over 327 kW, 438 horsepower, this machine combines raw power with precise control. Its large bucket capacity allows it to lift and move massive amounts of stone quickly, making it a key player in mining operations. Every swing of the boom and every scoop of rock shows why this excavator is trusted in tough environments like quarries and mines. On this site, the PC700LC works with full efficiency, breaking through hard layers of rock and loading them into waiting dump trucks. This cycle continues with smooth coordination. Trucks line up, the excavator loads them, and they move out to transport the material for processing. This is not just heavy equipment at work. It is a carefully planned mining symphony where timing, strength, and operator skill all play their parts. Mining is the backbone of modern construction and industry. The stones removed here may one day form the foundation of buildings, bridges, and highways that connect people and support economic growth. Watching the Komatsu PC700LC in action reminds us that behind every structure we see in cities, there is an unseen effort deep in mines like this. The operator's precision, the machine's endurance, and the teamwork on site all show what it takes to fuel progress. As we conclude, the Komatsu PC700LC Excavator has shown us why it stands as a symbol of mining power and performance. Its role in this stone quarry highlights not only its engineering excellence, but also the human effort that drives these machines. This is more than a mining operation. It is the creation of resources that shape our future. Thank you for watching this spectacular display of power and precision. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and comment to let us know your thoughts. And of course, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more breathtaking, heavy machinery action from around the world. Together, let's keep exploring the machines that build our tomorrow.